Alright guys, here's part 3, my third container. So we got Majin Boos, Holy Nishikis, some more 8-inch HCMFs, King Cobras right there. This container is mainly Proline, some consumer, got some bangers in here. But anyways, got Destroyers by Raccoon, Witch Doctor, Grave Digger, showing the box number 1, showing the box number 2. We got Witch Doctor. This is Proline Witch Doctor, so compound cakes right there. We got more. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, Crazy Train compounds. This one is 300 shot. Salute. Tidal Wave, Electric Chair, Toxic 2, Wanted. Couple of Shark Bites left. Got some Rockio compound cakes right here. Best Proline line right there. We got some 50 shot red, white, and blue 2-inch bore. Another one right here. Rockio compound. Another Rockio compound. Got Screaming Angels. 2-minute iCloud. More Rockio compounds right here. We got, what are these? Oh, remove them. I Know Nothing compound. Holy Horsetails by Pyro. That's a really nice brand too. We got 100 shot Red Comet to Horsetails, 50 shot Time Rain Willow Comet to Blue Comet, Rockio. Got more Screaming Angels right here. Showing the box number 3. Showing the box number 2. A couple of those. We got Willow Madness, 100 shot Blue Nishiki, Magic Man, Leave Britney Alone, Vertical Machine Gun. 3 of those. Another Rockio Proline cake. 1-inch shot to Salute to America. These are some slices right here. We got more Tidal Wave. These are Mod Madness by Dominator. 3 of those. Really nice cake right here. 100 shot Mardi Gras, Little Devil, Ratatouille. Then we got, let me see. Got more Showbox. These are Tornado Warning, Screaming Banshee, 1-inch Hold My Beer, Locked Up, In Your Face. Got more Proline cakes over there. Can't dig those through, but they're probably the same ones as these ones. We got Chop Suey, Little Devil, Bipolar, 2-inch 66 shot Colorado Gianti, or however you say it. Got Game Over right here, 2-inch 66 shot. Let's see, these are Smoke to Salute, blue, red, white. We got Bro Do You Even Pyro, Brick House. Let's see which one this is. Sorry, it's really dark in here. Oh yeah, Great Wall. Got some Proline shells right there. Nature Boy, some Ninja Turtles, Master Babes. Some Bang Bang shells right here. Got some Proline single shot Salute tubes. Crackers. Cockfight, DC. Some Garandola cakes right here. These are 100 shot. Red, white, and blue Salute Proline. Really nice cake. I got a demo of that on my channel. Let's see, we got some red, white, and blue tail Thunder Kings. More Thunder Kings right there. Another Thunder King. Got Instant Heavy Crackle. One-inch 25 shot Salute to America. Blue Nishikis. More 25 shot Thunder Kings right there. Master Assortment. Got some random Racchio cake right there. I love how Racchio Proline shows you pictures, and these are actual pictures of the effects, so you can see exactly what it's gonna look like in your show. Got Little Devil. That one's 100 shot, 120 shot Thunder King. Fanned. Let's see. These are Cauliflower Fallen Leaves by Dominator. Big Boar Salute cake. Let's see. I'm not sure what these are. Oh, more blue Nishikis. Blood and Honey, Elemental. Got more coconut bombs. Power Rangers, really nice cake. Wish I got more of those. Got a Proline Garandola. Got more shells right here. Master 5s. These are just assorted shells that I use. Got more chop suey right there. These are some consumer shells. Love this brand. Hitters. I'm not gonna name off every single one of these. You guys can just see. Double KO, double break, color salute right there. BAMF. These are really nice, huge breaks on these. Got some more Racchio right here. These are max load, so they're consumer, but man, they hit like Proline. Got 360 shot Tommy gun right there. 400 shot Fan Salute. Some Happy Family. I love this brand. Same company. This one is let's see. Hey Man. Really nice cake. It's like eggs, dragon eggs to Salute. angled or fan. Howling to Salute compound cakes. 2-shot, 2-inch, 50-shot Golden Willow compound cake, Proline. So, yeah, guys, once again, like, comment, subscribe. Hit me up if you guys are interested in any of this stuff. All right, thanks for watching.